Very good day to all of you. And as a school principal, I have my live experience with one of my students here in our school. He's been doing his studies right from his KG. Now presently he is in class 8th. The parents they identify a kind of sickness and the student was not able to move his mobility within the home, even outside this home. There he was taken to the hospital and he was diagnosed as Duchenne muscular dystrophy disease, which is commonly known or caused only to the boys very much. Where most of them or commonly they are not considered as human being. They consider them as a physically challenged children. But you know a very important thing. These children they have, in spite of weaknesses, they have some intelligence. They have some kind of the knowledge which we cannot deny. My dear viewers, this very pathetic disease we have come to know from the parent very long time back, and we wanted to support the parent continue his education in our institution. The management, the staff and faculty members started showing a very kindness to this little boy, and now he is in 8th standard. With the government support and the private organization and by the great effort of the parent, the child is still continuing his studies and he is very much intelligent. Many times, these kind of affected children are neglected or they are considered to be totally handicapped. But we should not do that. They are human beings. They may would like to do something to the world and contribute to the world. Let us not hate them, hesitate to move with them, but give them our support, give them our love and concern. And our school, the Navabharat Educational Institution, is supporting him in all the ways to educate the student up to now. Even now he is doing his 8th standard. Any such student in your neighborhood, in your school, in your city or town or corporation, please advise the parents to send them continuously to the school so that the child or the student such kind of dystrophy can continue their studies and have the satisfaction of living with a good education. By denying admission in the school, by keeping them inside their home, or don't allow the child to move around anywhere, or we totally hesitate to move with this kind of children, it is a sin against God. If at all you want to do something to God, do something good to these children. Give them your love, give them your smile, allow them to go for education. Let them continue their education. Whatever the lifespan God has given to them, let them live. This is a very peculiar disease which we cannot ordinarily see in every hospital. It's a rare case. In such kind of any rare children that around your neighborhood, please give them a good smile and love them. And just go and say, I am here to love you. And console the parents, not to worry about. This is a very sympathetic matter, but at the same time, we should appreciate the parents for taking care of such kind of children in their life. They will have to be carried, they will have to be moving everywhere with the child, and we have seen in many places, now we have seen in our school. May God continue to bless this child in my school. And like that, many other children in many other schools. We want them, God's blessings continuously, abundantly given to them. Thank you very much. Please do share this message to any of your neighborhood if they found this kind of cases. Thank you.